you. In this video, I will teach you how to push the code in directly in GitHub. I will go to builder and my project is already generated. I will click push to GitHub and in this says enter repository name. Go to GitHub and I will create the empty repository name code and create repository, and I will copy in this my GitHub name slash and your project repository name Sobansaud slash code, and again enter GitHub personal access token. I will go again GitHub and I will select setting, no, I will select my profile pic, and in this GitHub setting, go to GitHub setting, not the repository setting, and in this setting bottom section is developer setting. Go to personal access token, click fine grained token and generate new token. And in this you will click token name, code, no description, and this select no expiration. It's a public repository. Only select repository. Select and select your repository. You will create no repository is found. Why? I will go to again GitHub and copy paste. I will scrolling down and get my repository show. I will select in the repository and I will select add permission and go to content, select content and access read and write and generate token. Generate the token, and my token is generated. I will copy and go to again and paste this token, and action completed. Project pushed to GitHub successfully. Close. I will check in my GitHub. The code is successfully. Go to code and refresh. And wow, code is successfully pushed with all readme files created and all technologies used and all files, and the code is pushed in GitHub, in your GitHub. It's a very possible and very easy step and very simple step. So you will see this video, like and subscribe my channel, and link in the description is codefusion.ai. Go and